I feel like I should be jumping up and down now that I found these mini totes at Lowe's this morning. So I was super excited when Lowe's had come out with the mini buckets, but now the mini totes, I'm all over those. These are really cute and really useful. So inside this one, I was thinking this would be perfect for vacation to put all your jewelry in. You know, it keeps it watertight, really easy to pack, and really easy to be able to like see all your jewelry. So that's one of my ideas. Love that. I was thinking the totes could also be used, perfect organization in your bathroom. If you have a camper even, you could do cotton balls, Q-tips, Band-Aids, aspirin, whatever you're having, just like, you know, little mini organization for your bathroom. Super simple, and I love that idea. My next idea is, if you're like me, I love beads. So what a great way to organize all your beads. Then you just stick the top on, and then you could take your Cricut or a label maker and mark exactly what's in each one. Another great, easy idea. Talking about organization for your craft room, it'd be perfect for your googly eyes. The glue sticks fit in here. So lots of ideas there. Now, after all the hard work of organizing, I was thinking you might need a snack. So what better way to store your snacks but in these little totes? Now, instead of a Zen garden with sand, I was thinking this would be really fun with the fake snow. You can get this at the dollar store or wherever. And then I have a little Santa's hat, some really cute bells, this mini candy cane, and a little mini ornament. So I thought that'd be really fun on a desk. And then if you had like a little mini shovel, but you could just kind of like play around in the sand, and it's just a really nice little sensory activity. Really relaxing. Well, how about Easter? You could fill this tote with some moss, or if you prefer, you could use some of this type of recycled paper. Fill that up. Fill your Easter eggs with some treats. Stick them inside like so. You could tie a little bow around it. What a nice change from an Easter basket. Really, really cute. If you wanted to gift like a little nails, like a little mini nail thing, you have some nail polish, some cuticle oil, some tools, and then you could throw in these little nail stickers. I think that's a really nice way to present a gift. Next idea, I thought it'd be a really fun way to have like a little, maybe a centerpiece or something for the holidays. You could put in a little greenery, some leaves, some berries. I think that's really pretty. And then of course, you could also stick in a little gnome. What a cute little centerpiece is that? So many ideas. If you have more ideas, I'd love for you to share. Write in the comments below what you did with your mini totes. Enjoy.